The date is April 12th, 2016. This video will demonstrate the current assembly process for a Kickstarter exclusive shell kit, part number ACP0019/DSH02-0009. The contents of this kit are as follows: 1. Decorative shell kit, Kickstarter exclusive character, part number CP0022/DSH01-0031. 1. Packing sleeve, part number CP0019/DSH02-0002. And 1. Kickstarter exclusive shell kit sticker, part number CP0028/DSH02-0014. Note the following before assembly. The Kickstarter exclusive shell kit appears similar to the Masubi shell kit, but can be distinguished because it is black with little green details rather than being predominantly blue. Also, the Kickstarter exclusive shell kit sticker is a 4-inch by 2-inch sticker with a picture of the assembled Kickstarter exclusive shell. This sticker must be used with this assembly. The assembly process is as follows: open the envelope, insert the shell kit, seal the envelope, and apply the sticker to this part of the envelope. We'll now repeat this process at a normal speed for time study purposes. The assembly is complete.